Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Isidore-de-Laprairie is a charming little town in Quebec's Montérégie region. Just a short 30-kilometer drive from Montreal, this peaceful community is nestled in a landscape of rich farmland and serene countryside. Saint-Isidore is known for its agricultural roots, with farming being a central part of life here. The region is dotted with beautiful fields and small farms, offering a glimpse into Quebec's rural traditions. The area's sugar shacks are particularly popular during maple syrup season, a cherished tradition in Quebec where you can enjoy treats like maple taffy and learn about syrup production. For nature lovers, the surrounding countryside offers plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities. Scenic trails and calm rivers make it a perfect spot for leisurely walks, cycling, or even fishing. Although Saint-Isidore is small, its proximity to larger towns and cities provides easy access to a variety of dining options and local attractions. Visitors often enjoy exploring nearby Montérégie towns, each with its unique character and offerings. This town is also a great example of how communities in Quebec maintain a balance between preserving their cultural heritage and embracing the natural beauty around them. It's a place where you can slow down, breathe in the fresh air, and enjoy the simpler things in life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover Saint-Isidore-de-Laprairie, Quebec.
watching!